Hello, everybody. Welcome to What's That Sound? In today's show, we have 3 exciting sounds for you to name. Let's begin. What's this sound? Is that sound A, a spider, B, a cricket, or C, a fly? If you said B, cricket, then well done! You are correct. That is the sound of a cricket. Shall we hear it again? Let's hear it again. What's the next sound? Is that sound A, a snake, B, a panda, or C, a wild boar? If you said C, a wild boar, then well done! You are correct! That is the sound of a wild boar. Shall we hear it again? Let's hear it again. What is this last sound? Is that sound A, a butterfly, or B, a rat, or C, a snake? If you said C, a snake, then well done! You are correct! That is the sound of a snake. Shall we hear it again? Let's hear it again. That's all for now. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.